Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about video editing Filmora app. In this video, I will show you how to cut out some mistake and trim some clips on some part of your video clip in your Filmora video editing app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Filmora. After you open up your Filmora, next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on new project. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on video. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the video you want to use. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular video clip right here. So go ahead and select the video clip, then go ahead and click on import. Just like so. Having import the video, then you have it right here. So let's see how we can easily cut and trim some part of the video in Filmora video editing app. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and select the video clip in the timeline, and then I can decide to increase the video right here. So just like so. Now let's see some of the area that need to be cut. Like for instance, you want to cut from the beginning of your video clip right here where there is nothing happen right here. How can you do that in Filmora? First thing first, take your playhead to where you want to end the cutout. Like for instance, I want to end the cutout right here. Okay, and I want everything from this part here to be cut and delete all. What we will need to do right here is to simply click on this particular icon right here. So once I click on this icon, it means that everything from the beginning is going to be deleted. If I click on playhead now and then click on my playhead, you'll find out that the beginning of this video has been completely cut off. Okay, now let's say for instance I have some parts where I want to cut as well. Like for instance, I want to cut from this part to this part. Okay, how do we do that? First thing first, take your playhead from to where you want, and then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on split right here. Once you click on split, you can see we have split the clip into two. So this is the first, and then this is the second clip. Now take your playhead to the area that you want to cut. I want to cut this part. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on split again. Once you click on split, then select the middle one that you want to delete. And then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this trash bin icon. I'm going to go ahead and click on this trash bin icon. Now we have deleted and ripped the video. So if I play the video, you find out that everything works smoothly, just like so. Now let's say from the video here, we want to cut from the part right here, and we want to cut to the end of the video clip right here. You can see in the end of the video right here, there was nothing, and then we want to cut some part at this point right here. Take your video playhead to where you want it to end, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon. Once you click on this icon, it's going to automatically delete the end part where there was nothing going on in the video. It's that simple. So this is how to cut, trim some mistake or some part of your clip in your video in your Filmora video editing app. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Filmora video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.